Hi, this is Akshit here, and I'm from Vem Technologies company, and I'm a design engineer. Our sir has said like there is an expo exhibition regarding this. We are just having a look after this. We recently looked after pneumatic valves and all. We came to know regarding hydraulic pumps and centrifugal pumps, and we also looked after the flow control valves and all. And we came to know about what do you say, laser cutting machines and some of the hydraulic presses and all. And this is quite helpful for us even. Actually, our company is also looking after the suppliers, whatever they are, and we came to know about the parts which are supplying here, and we took some of the catalogs from here, and this is also a bit helpful for everyone, not only for us. Thanks for this opportunity.